Hey guys, the next piece of technology I want to talk to you about is something I'm sure you're already aware of, and it's called Prezi. And really, what it is kind of a glorified um PowerPoint presentation, but it's really cool in that there's all kinds of extra features that that PowerPoint doesn't offer, um, and you there's a lot more creative aspects of it that'll kind of help you out as far as keeping your audience kind of engaged with you. So first thing you do is you select a template you want. I just picked a random one, and then you have to title it. So we'll say module 15. And then once it loads, you'll have kind of like I said, a bunch of options to get you kind of started on your presentation. So like it'll say like topic 1, topic 2, and then as you put together, these are like kind of like your slides. So like this one here, this one here, this one here. And once you put those together, it's kind of cool in that it's not just a slide flipping and flipping and flipping and flipping. It like takes you all over the place. So let me see if I can get it in present mode real quick and kind of show you. So you'll start here, and then when you want to go to the next place, you'll press the space bar, and it'll take you to the next thing. And then it'll kind of zoom out and go to the next thing, next thing, next thing. And so it's just a lot more interactive that way, and I think it's a little more entertaining for for your students, as opposed to just a plain old boring PowerPoint. Um, and there's all sorts of ways that you can manipulate it and be creative with it, and put pictures and videos and hyperlinks and all kinds of cool stuff. So this will be kind of a shorter video, and I know you guys already kind of are aware of Prezi, but I just think it's a really cool piece of technology. And anytime you want to give a presentation to your class and you need to do it pretty quickly, maybe throw something together. Prezi is a really awesome tool to use for those sort of situations. I mean, there's better stuff out there probably, but like I said, if you need to do something really quickly, that's going to be nice quality and it's going to be a good product. Prezi's a really pretty good way to go, and it's free, so it checks all the boxes. So appreciate you listening to or watching my video. Thanks.